Hey everyone! We're back today with linking sounds. And these are so important for the English language. Linking sounds are when two words go together, okay? They sound very fast action, okay? So, some linking sounds are make up. Make up, okay? I'm gonna give you guys a few words and put it into a sentence, and you can hear the linking sounds, okay? But I want you to repeat it after me. Let's begin. I put on my makeup before I go out. Listen very closely. Make up, okay? So I want you guys to say it, makeup, quickly. I put on my makeup before I go out. Great job. The next one is hold on. Two words. Hold on, I need to catch my breath. So it's not hold on, it's hold on, I need to catch my breath. Perfect. So the next sentence is fill up. Fill up. Perfect job. I need to fill up my gas tank. Let's say it once more with fill up, put together very quickly. I need to fill up my gas tank. That's such an amazing job, you guys. The next sentence is break up. Break up. Perfect job. Did you break up with your girlfriend? Did you break up with your girlfriend? Perfect job. The next two words are come in. Come in. Great job. So we're going to use it as a sentence. Come in to my store. Come in to my store. Perfect job. Now we're going to say, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Very quickly. Good job, guys. Now we're going to have two more sentences. It costs an arm and a leg. So you say, it costs very quickly. It costs an arm and a leg. Perfect. The next sentence is, what does it mean? Linking words are, what does it mean? Great job. So now I'm going to read to you guys a paragraph about myself, okay? I'm going to read it very quickly, like linking words. And then I'm going to go back over it, and I'm going to take it very slowly, sentence by sentence. And I will help you understand the linking words, okay? Let's begin. If you can, try and listen the first time to my linking words, okay? I'm McKenna Lee, and I'm 23 years old. I'm a teacher at preschool. I have a brother and a sister. I like making friends from around the world because of their culture. I have a boyfriend. He's a musician, and we have known each other for 3 years. Okay, so now I'm going to repeat it, but I'm going to go very slowly so you guys can understand. Okay? I'm McKenna Lee, and I'm 23 years old. So the linking words are, and I'm also years old. And I'm years old, okay? I'm McKenna Lee, and I'm 23 years old. Perfect. The next sentence is, I'm a teacher at preschool. I'm are the linking sounds. I'm a teacher at a preschool. At a preschool. The next sentence is, I have a brother and a sister. So and are the linking sounds. I have a brother and a sister. Perfect. The next sentence is, I like making friends from around the world because of their culture. Because and of are the linking sounds. Because of their culture. Perfect. So, I have a boyfriend. Have a are the linking sounds. I have a boyfriend. Great. Can you guys hear it? Awesome job. Next is he's a musician. He's a musician. And we have known each other for 3 years. Great job, guys. So I hope this video really helped you with all the linking sounds, okay? So speak very properly so you can hear them. Good job, everyone, and thanks for watching.